Hello everyone, I'm Shahanath. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I'll be talking about weights and biases as well as like how you can integrate weights and biases in your Keras project. So in this video, we'll be going through what weights and biases is and what weights and biases offers, as well as I'm considering that you already know how to make a neural network in Keras, like basic neural network. I'll be using fashion and mist dataset. So it is a very uh, basic neural network. So I hope that you know how to create a neural network, and I'll show you in this video that how you can integrate. So basically, this is the landing page of weights and biases. You can see that it is a developer first MLOps platform, and what we can do and all of these things we'll be going through it. The first thing is that we can do experimentations as well as we can track those experiments. We can make reports, and we can also we can have collaborative dashboards so that our team can also view it. We can have that artifacts thing as well, like the dataset and the model versioning will be available to us, as well as there are tables for interactive data visualizations, which is very important for an ML engineer to look for. And the last one is sweeps, that is the hyperparameter optimization tool that weights and biases provide. So these are the companies which uses weights and biases, and it's a great product. You can see that many tech giants are there like BMW, OpenAI, Samsung, so you can get a feel of that. Yeah, so this is a thing, and here is how we can like integrate weights and biases with Keras. So this is the code snippet. I'll be going in details that how you can do it. So this is the basic website. So after if you are not a current user, then you can just click on sign up and then you can do that, or if you are a existing user, then you can log in, and after logging in you can just use sign in with Google and just log in, and you'll be like landing into this kind of website or this kind of page. Then you just have to click on new projects. After clicking on new projects, you can keep the name as YouTube tutorial, like this, and like I'll be giving the description as train images on fashion and mist. Sorry for the spelling. Dataset. So this is the thing, and if we click on create project, then the project will be getting created, and we will be also getting some API keys and all this stuff which we'll be using. Yeah, so basically this is the thing. So let's jump into Keras because we'll be using Keras. So now you can see that we need to install the dependencies weights and biases WNDB by pip install, and then we'll be logging into the weights and biases. This is our API key. This is very important. Don't just save it somewhere, and then we can import it, and then we should import the callback, weights and biases callback, and then we'll be initializing the project like this, and also we'll be setting up the configs like this. Then we can define the model and then train it, and in the callback we'll be mentioning the weights and biases callback. So let's jump into the notebook and see what is there and everything. So here is the notebook. So you can see now let's run this cell. It's just basically seeing that what are the GPU I am getting. So it takes time to. So I'm getting Tesla K80. It's a pretty decent GPU. Then I need to install the dependencies. I'm using -q to actually quietly installing the dependencies, not actually logging everything while installing the dependency. So yeah. So this is done in few minutes. And then we'll be importing the libraries. We are using NumPy, we are using TensorFlow as well as Matplotlib. Yeah. So now we'll be doing the login part. So here is we have to log in like this, and yeah, and we have to just paste the API key from here. You just have to copy the API key, and then you need to just paste it and then hit enter. So you can see the login is successfully done. Now you have to initialize the project, so you can just copy this thing, copy it and just paste the project name here so that it can just trace it. So it is also done. Yeah, it is currently logged in as signar235. So yeah, cool. It is successfully done. Now we'll be importing the fashion image dataset by using tf.keras.dataset, and then we'll be normalizing the pixels as well as we'll be reshaping it. And yeah, so we are doing for both, for the train dataset as well as the test samples. So let's run this. These are the class names which I am storing it in a list which we'll be using later. So now let's run this. Now this is the most important part, the hyperparameters. The hyperparameters means that the learning rate we are using, the parameters which can be changed and which we can change to actually fine tune the model. So these are the hyperparameters, if we can say in very layman term. So let's run this cell. I am actually holding that config in that, and then I'm storing all of the values in its learning rate and batch size and epochs and optimizers. So yeah, so this is the thing. Now we'll be converting the data into the TensorFlow dataset object, and we'll be also using tf.data, and I'll be making a full-fledged video on tf.data, why you should use tf.data instead of image data generator. So I'll be making a video. So till now, just this is how we make the data loader part, and our data loader is ready. Now we'll be like visualizing the training samples which we actually created from the data pipeline. So these are the samples as well as with the labels, so you can see. Now this is a very simple and very basic model. I'm not here to actually make a good neural network, apart from, rather I am focusing on that how you can actually do the integration with weights and biases. So this is my main focus. So now let's run this cell, and also I'll be getting summary, model summary. So you can see that the output layer has 10 classes because it's a multi-label, multi-class classification or multi-label. So after that I am initializing the optimizer, initializing the loss function, and then compiling the model. Let's run this cell. So this much is done. And now let's in the callback I am just mentioning that weights and biases callback, and if you want to read more about it, then you can click on this link and visit this website of weights and biases. Basically the docs, and you can go through all of this, that what it offers, because it offers many things. So you can go and watch that out, and everything is written here, so you can go and check that out. It's pretty much perfect, I can say, because everything is there in detail, so that you can easily integrate it and easily customize your requirement according to your requirement. So then let's run the callback cell, and now I'll be training the model with the train DS and the validation DS. And yeah, so let's run this. We are also passing the callbacks as train callbacks, which we are using up. So yeah, now the training will take time. While editing the video, I'll be like making this part into 2x, so don't worry. Yeah, so this is the last epoch. As you can see, the dataset is very basic, as well as the neural network model is very basic, so it didn't take much of a time. So this is done. Now I'll be evaluating our model. After evaluating the model, we get a test accuracy of 87.64%. It's decent. Now let's serialize the model and save the model. We should save our hard work, obviously. So this is the thing. And now let's jump into the report section and then just reload it. Here you can see the charts are appearing like what will be what was the accuracy, you can view it, and what is the validation accuracy, how was the curve look like, what was the epoch rate, and what was loss, as well as what is the validation loss. So you can all see, and also you can also see that what are the samples it has produced after every epoch. So it is also there. So you can also create reports by coming here, that what is the project report and all of the stuff. So I'll be also explaining this in the later half of the video, like in the next video or in the upcoming videos. So yeah, you can also use sweeps from here, you can also use artifacts. So yeah, this is the thing, this is the workspace. Yeah, so these are things you can easily like see everything, that what is going on and what not. And also you can share the dashboard with your team. That is the very big part. You can create your team from here and you can send invite, and your team can actually view it, like what are things which are going on. It is very easy to actually track all the experiments which you have done. So this is the thing, you can go into the overview path and you can see everything, like if you want to use sweep, so you can do it like this. You can just copy paste the stuff and do that. So yeah, so this is the thing. Then yeah, so these are things which you can see. And also like don't forget to visit the doc page, because it is also very important, because you can just see here that what are the arguments and what does that means and all of the stuff, so that it will be very easy for you actually to know that what are the things it is there. And you can also visit the notebook. I'll be giving the notebook link in the description, so that you can go and check this notebook out. And also don't forget to make a copy of this notebook and use it. And also I hope that you will be using weights and biases in your future projects, and I hope that I've make those things pretty much clear to you guys. So yeah, this is the thing. And also like I'll be giving a Telegram link in the description. I hope you guys join those links, because I'll be sharing my video updates and all the stuff in that group, and any kind of stuff which I think is important for you guys, I'll be sharing there. So I think you should join that group. I'll be giving the link in the description. As well as I want to make some announcement that Newton School is actually hosting a grand coding contest. You can participate there. I'll be giving the link in the description. You can go and participate there, and there are exciting prizes if you win the coding contest. And also you should participate in the coding contest, because you will be getting aware of the fact that what are the questions which will be coming during the interview process and all. It will be like motivating you, it will be like shaping your career pretty much well. So I think you should go and visit that. So yeah, so this much for this video. I hope you guys like the video. Then if you like the content of this channel, then keep subscribing, as well as like the video and share it with your friends. Till then, bye bye, take care.